KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, December 7th, 2019. I'm Scott Martin. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds across central Alabama today, but clouds will be back on the increase on Sunday with the potential of a few showers. Much of the work week looks to feature a good bit of the wet stuff. We'll get to that in just a moment. We started off much earlier this morning with a dense fog advisory across all of central Alabama, but it was canceled at 5:46 a.m. So, as of 7 a.m., skies across the northern half of the area look to be mostly clear at this point, with clouds streaming across the southern half of the area. Radar is a clean sweep at the moment and should stay that way through the day and into the nighttime hours. Temperatures across the area were in the mid-30s to the lower 50s as of 7 a.m. Birmingham was at 42 degrees. The cold spot was Gadsden at 35 degrees. Troy and Demopolis were tied as the warm spots at 51 degrees. All clear across central Alabama on the hazards map, as no watches, warnings, or advisories are in effect. With the dry conditions expected for today, there is no threat of any severe weather across the state. There may be a few thunderstorms over the Gulf Coast of the Florida Panhandle, but that is about it. Now let's dive into the forecast, starting off with the 060 run of the GFS, valid today at noon. It will be a mainly dry day across central Alabama, with a mix of sun and clouds throughout the day. The northern half of the area may see more sunshine than the southern half by the afternoon hours. While a stray sprinkle or two is not completely out of the question, those look to be highly unlikely at this point. Highs will be in the upper 50s to the mid-60s across the area. For Sunday at this point, it looks like much of the day will be dry, but there will be a small risk of a few light showers forming over the area during the afternoon through the late night hours. Skies will be partly to mostly cloudy, with highs reaching the upper 50s to the mid-60s. For Monday, a cold front will begin to approach central Alabama that will allow the chance of a few showers to form out ahead of it during the latter half of the day. More showers look to move in during the overnight hours, still out ahead of the front. Highs will be in the mid-60s to the mid-70s. For Tuesday, the cold front gets closer to central Alabama and will eventually move across the area during the day, and showers will be likely through much of the entire day. A few claps of thunder will be possible as well. The GFS is showing a very low amount of surface-based instability over the extreme southern portions of the area, but it will be well to the south of the shear that we are expected to see, so no severe weather is expected. Highs will reach the lower 50s to the lower 70s across the area, but will begin to drop with the passage of the front. For Wednesday, a big change in the GFS from the 0Z run to the 060 run, as the latest shows a low forming over the northern Gulf of Mexico and moving up into Louisiana, Mississippi, and into the southwestern parts of Alabama. Rain from the previous system looks to end before dawn, but rain with this new low will begin to move in by midday and work its way across all of central Alabama during the afternoon and into the late night and overnight hours. Highs will be in the mid-40s to the mid-50s. For Thursday, the low will have moved well over into Georgia and into the Carolinas, where some wintry mischief could take place if this model solution pans out. As for central Alabama, we may have a few lingering showers over the eastern parts of the area, but will be dry by the evening hours. Highs will be in the lower to mid-50s. For Friday, high pressure will be moving closer to the area during the day, which will leave us dry with cool temperatures. Highs look to top out in the upper 40s to the lower 50s. That is all for the Weather Xtreme video for today. We'll have updates on the blog throughout the day. Our next video will be out on Sunday morning, produced by Bill Murray. I'm Scott Martin signing off for today. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.